Yeah, so we're going to discuss the top 5 questions that I usually get on a daily basis about uh, buying your home or buying your first home. Sometimes I still get these questions on people's third or fourth homes. Happens all the time. Start with number one. How much home can I afford? Okay, now remember, this is a very vague question. It's going to depend upon where you're at in the country, right? The income that we have, right? Or what I'll be able to use for income, right? Usually we can go to a 56.99% back end debt ratio for FHA. And what goes into debt ratio, we'll look at that too. Also, on a VA loan, we can sometimes go to 74.99%, which is pretty high on the VA loan, right? Conventional capped usually about 49.99 or 50% even. Okay, so we'll look at your total outgoing credit-based obligations. So your credit cards, your student loans, even though they may be deferred, we still got to take a look at them. Okay, car payment, student loans, credit cards, anything that's basically on your credit. Okay, then we're going to look at the house itself, what the purchase price is, the property taxes, estimated homeowners insurances, mortgage insurance, any HOA dues, any condo fees, any flood, wind, or hail coverage requirements. All that's factored into your max debt to income ratio. Remember, what we use for your income, if you're a W-2 wage earner, is usually your gross income. If you are an hourly employee, you have what they call variable income. So we'll look at the last 2 years of your income. Based upon what we get on a written verification of employment, it'll break down your hourly pay, hourly rate of pay, average hours worked, okay, and use that to determine what your base gross income is that I can use to qualify you.